See here. First start with simplifications and 17 5 times 85 or not? Please respond. 4 15s are 60 lo 35% we want. 35% means 25% plus 10%. What is 1/4 of 60? 15. 10% 6. 15 plus 6, 21 your answer. (160) plus 6x square is equal to 64 divided by 0.4 square means 0.16. 0.16 ని 16 రాయాలి అంటే న్యూమరేటర్లో 2 zeros యాడ్ చేయాలా లేదా? 16 400 times 400 minus 160 మాట్లాడాలి. 6 exactly 40 times. 40 means 10 4 times or not? X means 2√10. Next. 1/9/10 means 1/9 or not? 1.9 or not? 1.9 plus 10 minus 55/22 అంటే 11 5 times 11 2 times 5/2 means 2.5. 10 minus 2.5 7.5. 7.5 plus 1.9 9.4 means 9 2/5. Next. √80 means 16 5 times or not? √16 means 4√5 plus 180 means 36 5 times or not? √36 అంటే 6√5 into 125 means 25 5 times or not? √25 అంటే 5√5 plus 20 means 4 5s are not? √4 means 2√5. 4√5 plus 6√5 10√5. 5√5 plus 2√5 మాట్లాడాలి 7√5. 10 7s are 70. √5 into √5 70 into 5 350 your answer. Yes or no? Right side what we need to find? 10 power something. So in the left side please consider 10 values only. 10s only we need to consider in left side. 128 there is no 10, I don't bother about it. 10 power minus 6 whole square means 10 power minus 12. In 160 we have single 10 or not? 2 power 18 I don't bother about it, divided by 10 power minus 6. న్యూమరేటర్ కి తీసుకెళ్తే minus 12 plus 1 minus 11 plus 6 మాట్లాడాలమ్మా. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ -5. because right side there is a 10 power something only. So left side lo kuda we should consider only 10s only we can consider. 8 square, 5 square, please respond. 6 square, 4 square plus 1045 by x. 36 minus 16 మాట్లాడాలి 20. Bring it to left side. Minus 25 minus 20 minus 45. 64 minus 45 means 19 is equal to 1045 by x. 19 exactly 5 times and then 5 times. 55 is your answer. Four by 5 means 80% or not? Please respond. 80% of 80. 64. 3 by 5 means 20% or not? 60% or not? 20% of 60. 12. 64 plus 12. 76%. Send it to right side. 1 means 100% or not? 100% minus 76%. 24% means 0.24 kada. So answer is 0.24. Yes or no? Next. 270 by 2 right? 270 by 2 means 135. 135 minus 14. Square root of 121. 11. 160 by 4 right? 160 by 4 means 40 plus 9. Root 49. 11 plus 7. 18 your answer. Seventeen 5 85. 17 4 68. 84 minus 54 equal to 45 by x. 15 2 times 15 3 times. 3 by 2 ante 1.5 is your answer. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel it amma. So remaining 3 andi. Plus LCM 6 or not? 5 times. 3 2 times. 2 3 times. 5 plus 2. మాట్లాడాలి. 7 minus 3. 4. 4 by 6 అంటే 2 by 3 కాదా? So answer is 3 2 by 3. Next. Interest earned on a certain sum when invested for 2 years at 20% per annum compound interest is equal to the interest earned when 4,400 is invested for 5 years at 8% simple interest per annum. What was the sum invested in compound interest? 1 year ki 20% ante 2 years ki compound interest 44% of the principal, which is equal to 1 year ki 8% means 5 years ki 40% of 4,400. Percentage symbol cancelled. 44 exactly 100 times. 40 into 100 means 4,000 or not? Answer is 4,000. Next. Train A traveling at 72 kilometers per hour can cross a platform 13.5 meters long in 19 seconds. How much time would train A take to completely cross train B 13.5 meters long and traveling at 36 kilometers per hour in opposite direction in which train A is traveling? So first of all, train A crosses a platform in how much time? 19 seconds. What is the speed of train A? 72 kilometers per hour in meters per second ante 5 by 18 and it takes 19 seconds to cross the platform. 18 exactly 4 times. 4 5s 20. 19 into 20. Total distance traveled by the train A is 380 meters. While crossing of a platform, total distance is nothing but a train length plus platform length. In this, we know that platform length is how much? 213.5. So remaining is a train length or not? What is the train A length? 380 minus 213.5. 166.5 meters. Yes or no? That is the length of train A. And the train B length they given 313.5 meters. The question is, in how much time both trains are crossing each other when they are traveling in opposite direction? Time kanukondi annaru. Time formula, distance by speed. While two trains are crossing each other, distance is nothing but sum of the train lengths are not. 166.5 plus 313.5. 480 meters is the total distance. And coming to the speed, train A is having speed, train B also having speed. Both are moving in which direction? And the relative speed will be addition or not? 72 plus 36. 108 kilometers per hour ni convert into meters per second. 5 by 18. 18 exactly 6 times. 6 exactly 80 times. 80 by 5 means 15 seconds is your 15 or 16? 16 seconds is your answer. Next. The sum of the present ages of Isha and Sita is 65 years. The respective ratio between Isha's age 23 years ago and Sita's age 9 years ago was 5:6. What is the difference between present ages of Isha and Sita? Isha, 23 years ago, she was 5 parts. 23 years ago, 5 parts means present 5 parts plus 23. Whereas Sita, 9 years ago, she was 6 parts. 9 years ago, 6 parts means present 6 parts plus 9. Sum of their present ages they given as 65. Let us find what is one part value. 5 plus 6, 11 parts. 23 plus 9, 32. Send it to right side, minus 32. 65 minus 32. 11 parts value, 33 means 1 part value, 3. So present age of Isha, 5 parts plus 23. 5 3s are మాట్లాడాలి. 15 plus 23. 38. 6 3s are 18 plus 9, 27. These are the present ages. They are asked to find difference. 38 minus 27, 11 years is your answer. Yes or no? Answer is 11 years, Amma. Next. Sonam invested 6,000 in scheme A, which offers simple interest at the rate of 12% per annum for 2 years. After 2 years, she invested the whole amount received from scheme A in scheme B, which offers compound interest at 20% per annum for 2 years. What is the interest received by her from scheme B after 2 years? What is the scheme A principle? మాట్లాడాలి. Scheme A, rate of interest 12% per annum. Time period 1 year ki 12% అంటే 2 years ki 24%. Interest 24% means amount 124 or not? Interest 24 means amount is 124%. This amount again they reinvested in a company B in compound interest at the rate of 20% per annum for 2 years. 1 year ki 20% అంటే 2 years ki compound interest 44% of that amount is how much we need to calculate. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, single zero, single zero. Last digit verification. 6 fours are 24. 4 fours are answer ends with 6 and if you look at the options, first option is your answer. Yes or no? You can verify 11 multiple also. First option is 11 multiple and fifth option also 11 multiple. Fifth option also 11 multiple. 2 options ఉన్నాయి. సో డెఫినెట్గా సాల్వ్ చేయాల్సిందే. నెక్స్ట్, the height and base of a triangle are in the respective ratio of 7:6. Area of the triangle is 525 centimeter square. What will be the perimeter of the circle whose radius is equal to base of the triangle? Area of the triangle formula half into base into height. Height is 7 parts, base is 6 parts, which is equal to 525. 2 3 times 7 sevens are 49, 7 5s 3 exactly 25 times. P into P means P square value 25 means 1 part value 5. Base of the triangle is 6 parts, 6 5s are 30, which is equal to radius of the circle. They are asked to find circumference. What is circumference of circle? 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 30. Denominator lo 7 must and should alage undali. How many options are there? 3 options are there. Numerator is ending with 0. First option 0 to end out the numerator. Third option no. Fourth option also no. What is your answer? First option is your answer. Next, A, B and C started a business. The respective ratio of investments of A and B was 3:5 and that of B and C was 15:11. All of them invested for equal period of time. Difference between B's share of annual profit and C's share of annual profit was 1120. What was the total annual profit earned by all of them together? 3:5 we can write it as 9:11 also. Sorry, 9:15 also. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. A and B 9:15. B and C 15:11. What is ABC ratio? 9:15:11. Difference between B and C is how many parts? 4 parts value 1120. 1 part value 280. Asked to find total annual profit earned by them. 11 plus 9 20. 20 plus 15 amma 35 parts is equal to how much? 35 into 280 andi. How much? 9,800 is your answer. Next. 18 men can finish a piece of work in 32 days. 8 men started working and in 9 days they could finish a certain amount of work. If it is required to finish the remaining work in 21 days, how many more men should be added to the existing workforce? Total how many men? 18 men. They can do the work in how many days? 32 days. That is the total work. 18 men are there. They can do the work in 32 days. How many men started? 8 men started and they worked for how many days? 9 days. After that, how many more men to be added to the existing workforce? Already there are 8 men. How many more men means we don't know. Suppose if X men are joined to the existing workforce, then total became 8 plus X or not? They complete the remaining work in how many days? 21 days. We just need to find what is X value. 3 6 times, 3 3 times, 3 7 times. 192 equal to 24 plus 56 plus 7x. 24 plus 56 means 80 or not? 192 minus 80. 112 is equal to 7x. X equal to 16. So to the existing workforce, 16 more men to be added. Next. Madhav, out of his total monthly salary, pays 25% towards EMI, spends 30% in buying a phone. From the remaining amount, the respective ratio between the amount he gives to his mother and the amount left with him is 4:5. If he gives 6,800 to his mother, what is his monthly salary? 15 plus 30. Emma? 55% is over. Remaining, that 45% he invested in the ratio of 4:5. 4 plus 5, 9 parts value 45. And a 1 part value 5%. Mother given 4 parts. 4 5s are 20%. They given as 6,800. Asked to find his monthly salary means 100%. 5 times or not? 34,000 is your answer. Next. In a village, 70% of the registered voters cast their votes in the election. Only 2 candidates were contesting the election. A won the election by 400 votes. If B received 1200 votes, how many registered voters are there in the village? B received 1200. A won the election by 400 votes means A got 400 votes more than B or not? And A received how many votes? They together received 2,800, which is equal to 70%. 70% 2,800 means 100% how much, Andy? 4,000 is your answer. Next. A mixture of 120 liters of milk and water contains 30% water. 40 liters of the mixture was taken out. What quantity of pure milk should be added to the remaining mixture so that the respective ratio of milk and water becomes 3:1? What is initial quantity? How many liters were taken out? 40 liters were taken out. So remaining mixture is 80. In that 80 liters also, water is how much percent? Respond. Water 30% means milk 70%. Both are in the ratio of 7:3. So in the remaining 80 liters low, water is 30% means milk is 70%. They are in the ratio of 7:3. What is the final ratio? 3:1. I can write 9:3 also. 3:1 I can write it as 9:3 also. Because here we are adding only milk. There is no change in water quantity. That's why I make both water quantities are same. So initial quantity 7 plus 3. 10 parts value 80 liters. 10 parts value 80 liters means 1 part value 8 liters. They are asked to find how much milk is added. 7 parts became 9 parts. How many parts increased? 2 parts increased. What is 1 part? 8. 2 parts. So we added 16 liters of milk. Yes or no? Next. When an article was sold for 924, the percentage of profit earned was P%. When the same article was sold for 1050 rupees, percentage of profit earned was P plus 15%. What is the value of PNR? P percent की P plus 15% की difference 15%. 1050 की 924 की difference 126. So 126 rupees is equal to 15%. Then find 924 rupees is equal to how much percent? 924 by 126 into 15. 14 9 times 126. 14 6 84. 14 6 84. 322 times 3 times. 3 exactly 5 times. And then 924 rupees is equal to 110%. Selling price is 110%. Profit or loss? How much profit? 10% profit is your answer. Yes or no? The sum of the digits of a positive 2-digit number is 11. If 27 is subtracted from the number, the digits of the original number gets reversed. What is the original number అన్నారు? ఆప్షన్ ద్వారా వెళ్దాం. 47 minus 27. Are the digits reversed? Not your answer. 74 minus 27. 47. Digits are getting reversed or not? Second option is your answer. The respective ratio of speed of a boat downstream and speed of the water current is 4:1. Downstream means M plus S. Water current means S. 4:1. S is 1 part. M plus S is 4 parts. It means M is 3 parts or not? M and S are in the ratio of 3:1. The boat takes a total time of 6 hours to travel 36 kilometers upstream and the same distance downstream. What is the speed of the boat downstream? 36 kilometers. Upstream and M minus S kada. 3 minus 1, 2 parts. Same 36 downstream means M plus S, 4 parts. In how many hours? 6 hours. 218 times 4 మాట్లాడాలి 9 times 18 plus 9 27 equal to 6 parts. మనకు కావాల్సింది డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ అమ్మ. 4 parts ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్? 3 9s 3 2s. 2 parts వాల్యూ 9 అంటే 4 parts వాల్యూ 18 ఆర్ నాట్? ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 18. నెక్స్ట్, average score of boys in a class is 44 and average score of the girls in the class is 40. Total average score of the class is 42.5. What is the respective ratio between a number of boys and a number of girls in the class? Allegation method. Boys average 44, girls average 40, entire class average 42.5. 44 minus 42.5 means 1.5. 42.5 minus 40 means 2.5. 0.5 5 times and then 3 times. 5:3 is your answer. Next, the product of the radius and diameter of a circle is 882 square meters. If the area of the rectangle is half of the area of the circle and the length of the rectangle is 31.5 meters, what is breadth of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle means length into breadth. Area of a circle means దాంట్లో హాఫ్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి బై 2. లెంగ్త్ గివెన్ 31.5. 31.5ని 63/2 రాయొచ్చా? ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. Into breadth, which is equal to pi r square by 2. We need to find what is breadth of the rectangle. 2 cancelled or not? Right side lo pi means 11 multiple kada? Please respond. Do you have any 11 multiple in left side? No. It means breadth must and should having 11 multiple. If you look at the option, 5th option is your answer. Breadth is must and should 11 multiple only. 5th option is the answer. Next, table DA. The following data regarding number of trainings conducted by A, B, C, D and E in 5 different years 2019 to 23. First one. What is the respective ratio between total number of trainings conducted by trainer B in the year 21-22 together? Trainer B 21-22. 127 plus 185 అంటే 312 కాదా? And trainer C in the same years together. 111 plus 149 అంటే 260 అమ్మ. 13 20 times 13 2s are 26, 13 4s. 4 6 times 4 5 times 6:5 your answer. If total number of trainings conducted by all the trainers together in 2024 were 25% more than that in the year 2023, how many trainings were conducted by all the trainers together in 2024? అంటే మనం 2023 టోటల్ యాడ్ చేయాలా లేదా? 312 plus 328 అంటే 640 ఆర్ నాట్? 200 200 200 600. 39 plus 17 50. 56 plus 24 80. 640 plus 680 1320. 2023లో టోటల్ 1320 అమ్మ. 2024లో ఇట్ ఈజ్ 25% మోర్. 25% మీన్స్ హాఫ్లో హాఫ్. 1320లో హాఫ్ 660. 660లో హాఫ్ 330 మోర్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? 1650. Next, what is the average number of trainings conducted by trainer A in the years 19, 20, 21? ఈ మూడు అమ్మ. 103 plus 137, 240. 240 plus 165, 405. Average means by 3. 135 is your answer. Number of trainings conducted by trainer D in the year 2022 and 254 is approximately what percent more than number of trainings conducted by the same trainer in 2019, 208. How to find percentage more? Difference by less value. Difference is 46 by less value 208 into 100. Denominator lo 10%, 20.8, 20%, 41.6 and approximately 22 or not. Total number of trainings conducted by trainer E in 2020 and 2021. Trainer E 141 plus 179 means 320. Was what percent of the number of trainings conducted by trainer D in the same year? 233 plus 247 means మాట్లాడాలి 480 అమ్మ 16 2s are 16 3s are 2 by 3 means 66 2 by 3% is your answer. Yes or no? Thank you.